Well, there are many people who believe that there is no way to earn money online if you are not having some amount to invest. But let me tell you that this is not a truth. There are numerous ways which you can consider to earn money online, even if I would say you are having nothing to invest, even if you are having $0 to invest. Now, what are those ways and what are the things which you should consider? I'll be talking about three ways in this video. So, the first way in my bucket list for this video is going to be writing. Well, even if you are having $0, you can earn by writing in two different ways. First, you can offer writing as a service on platforms like Reddit, Fiverr, or Upwork. The second way to earn by writing without investing a dollar is by writing a blog on platforms like or setting up an account on platforms like Substack, Medium, or Vocal Media. So these are the platforms which do offer you a platform to earn if you are a writer. So these are the two ways which you can consider if you want, if you have a skill to write, and by writing and without investing a dollar you can earn using these two methods. The second in my list is going to be being an Instagram influencer. Well, here specifically you need $0, but here is the thing which you need, that you must have some sort of talent, some sort of talent. And it can be anything, like it could be dancing, you are good at singing, you are good at fighting, you have good humor or stuff like that. And if you are having things like that, you can easily become an Instagram influencer and you can earn a lot of money by being an Instagram influencer. So that's the second way. The third way in in my list is going to be that you can teach online. For that, you need to be an expert in some subject. Academic subject. So, if you are expert in some academic subject like mathematics, finance, history, whether it is physics or chemistry, you can then teach kids online, and for that you will be getting paid. And obviously for this way you also need to invest a $0 to start. So these are the three ways, and top three ways which I consider, like these require $0 if you want to earn money online, and you don't need to invest your money in these ways if you want to start earning by these ways. So that's it for today. See you soon in the next video. And if you have any doubts about this video or about these ways, you can consider commenting and I would love to answer it. That's it for today. See you soon.